I'm proud to call Birmingham in the state of Alabama my home, folks. Thank you very much.